here we go. Now we got a residential stump where they've got river rock that they had a garden around the tree, but the tree had to go because it was a diseased ash. Here we are with the Stumpex Backhoe, but because it's a Stumpex and it's all torque, low speed, we're going to do this stump, and we're not worried about the gravel, which normally if we had a high-speed wheel grinder, we'd have to shovel up all that pea gravel, or it's actually not pea, it's river rock. It's about 2-inch river rock. So here we go. We're going to rock and roll and do this stump. My operator's just trying to videotape it himself. Actually, he's not my operator. He's Ivan from Safe Tree. He's the owner of a huge tree company around here that's got all the city contracts for stumping. So there we are with Fecon Stumpex, and there's residents crowding around because we always get a lot of fans, which is all good, but safety at its finest. We're not going to fire rocks anywhere. We got a vehicle in the driveway, we got garbage recycling bins, and here we got a stump with all kinds of river rock placed around it for landscaping. But this is a game changer when it comes to Fecon Stumpex. There's nothing else on the market that can do this. And like I said, we're averaging about 2 to 3 minutes per stump. We're traveling down the road 20 miles an hour. We're doing a tremendous amount of stumps today, and we just want to show you guys something new and something amazing. Now look at that. It just sweeps the river rock away from the stump. No collateral damage, no issues. We got a gentleman there holding his baby. He's about 25 feet away. We got the dog and the mother on the porch. This is safety. Safety at its finest. If this was a high speed, we'd have to have boards everywhere. We'd have to clear the driveway. We'd need a crew of 5 guys. Here there's one operator and me, Gary Lowe, filming for Fecon Stumpex. Now we only have to go below grade because what happens is we end up putting soil and seed afterwards, and that's in the city tender spec. So we don't have to go very deep. But as you can see, that's amazing. There's all the gravel. There's a basket in there. There's all kinds of landscaping material in there. Pea gravel, everything else. And when I get out, I'll show you the teeth, and there's no collateral damage. Okay, Ivan, how you liking this deal?
Very best guy.
Safety at its best. We got a mother and a family there with a baby.
Safe Tree at its best.
Safe Tree at its finest. Okay, we'll lift it up and check we're gonna check the teeth. So he's gonna come up and we're gonna take a look. And there is absolutely no damage whatsoever with river rock. As you can see, everything's in good order, and this is the kind of rock we're dealing with, so amazing. That's Fecon Stumpex for you. Okay guys, 10-4.